Good morning. How are you all? I'm your teacher, Miss Mahira. I hope you enjoyed my previous lesson, nursery. Today we'll reinforce our previous lesson. Now, for this, I have a pot of sounds and a vocabulary box. Do you like my vocabulary box? Yes, thank you. Now I'm opening it. There's so many vocabulary in it. What we have to do, we have to match the vocabulary with the sounds. Okay? Now first I'll take one vocabulary. What is that? It's an angry bird. Angry bird. Okay, let us find out. Where is at? We'll put it here. Let us find out. Where is angry bird? Here it is. We'll put it over here. Angry bird. Okay, what is this? It is inches tape. Inches tape. Where is A? Come on, nursery, help me finding out. Here we go. Inches tape. Okay, we'll put it over here. Okay, what is this? Which shape is it? Oh, it's a square. It's a square. Oh, square. Square. Okay, let us find what is this. Oh, what a cutie thing it is. What is this? It's a ping peg. Ping peg. It starts with ping peg. Okay, now what else we have? What is that? Do you like the sound? So do I. It's a tambourine. Tambourine. Let's put the tambourine over here. Now find out where is Is this t? No. Is this t? Oh yes, we found it. It's tambourine. Put the t over here. Now what else we have? We have minion. We have minion. Okay, let's see where's here it is. I found it. Minion. Okay, one more thing is left. What's that? You like that activity of nail paint? So do I. It's a nail paint. Nail paint. Okay, nail paint over here. Do you like the vocabulary of the sounds? Let's repeat it. Inches tape, square, ping peg, angry bird, nail, tambourine, minion. I hope you all get it. Did you enjoy nursery? So do I. Bravo. Good job, nursery. Time to go. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you.